Section 1. The silent epidemic, joint pain. Joint pain, often dismissed as a minor inconvenience, affects millions and can severely impact our quality of life. It limits our mobility, hinders our ability to enjoy simple pleasures, and can even lead to chronic conditions. From aching knees and stiff hips to throbbing shoulders and painful wrists, these issues are becoming increasingly common. Many accept this pain as a normal part of aging or the inevitable consequence of an active lifestyle. However, this doesn't have to be our reality. Joint pain is not an inevitable consequence of aging or a life well lived. Instead of masking the pain with temporary fixes, we need to address the root causes to find lasting relief and reclaim our mobility. In this guide, we'll delve into the often overlooked causes of joint pain and equip you with the knowledge and tools to address them head-on. Section 2. Beyond painkillers, understanding the root causes. The mainstream approach to joint pain often involves masking the symptoms with painkillers and anti-inflammatories. While these medications can provide temporary relief, they fail to address the underlying issues and may even exacerbate the problem in the long run. To truly conquer joint pain, we need to shift our focus from symptom management to identifying and addressing the root causes. One of the primary culprits behind joint pain is poor movement patterns. Our bodies are designed to move in specific ways, and when we deviate from these natural patterns, it creates undue stress on our joints. This can result from a sedentary lifestyle, repetitive motions, or even improper exercise techniques. Over time, this chronic stress can lead to inflammation, cartilage breakdown, and debilitating pain. Another significant contributor is muscle imbalances. Muscles work in pairs to stabilize and move our joints. The key to breaking free from this cycle of pain lies in understanding these underlying causes and adopting a holistic approach to address them. Section 3. The body's blueprint, how our structure impacts joint health. Imagine your body as a complex and interconnected structure, much like a bridge. Each component, from the arches of your feet to the alignment of your spine, plays a crucial role in distributing weight and facilitating movement. When these components are correctly aligned and functioning optimally, the structure remains strong and resilient. However, when even one element is out of sync, it can create a ripple effect, leading to imbalances and vulnerabilities throughout the entire system. This analogy highlights the importance of understanding our body's blueprint and how its structure impacts joint health. When our posture is compromised or our muscles are weak or imbalanced, it disrupts this delicate balance, placing undue stress on specific joints. Understanding how these interconnected systems work together is paramount in identifying the root causes of joint pain and developing targeted solutions. By addressing postural imbalances, strengthening weak muscles, and improving flexibility, we can restore our body's natural alignment and create a more stable and resilient foundation for our joints. Section 4. Movement matters. The role of exercise in joint health and injury. While it may seem counterintuitive, the right kind of movement is crucial for preventing and even reversing joint pain. Many people avoid exercise altogether, fearing it will exacerbate their discomfort. However, a well-structured exercise program tailored to your body's needs can be incredibly beneficial. The key lies in choosing activities that strengthen the muscles surrounding your joints, improve flexibility, and enhance your range of motion. Low-impact exercises like swimming, cycling, and walking are excellent options as they provide a great workout without putting excessive stress on your joints. Strength training is another vital component of joint health. Proper form and technique are essential to avoid further injury. Section 5. Building a resilient foundation. Corrective exercises for joint stability. Corrective exercises are like targeted tune-ups for your body, addressing specific imbalances and weaknesses to optimize joint function and prevent pain. These exercises focus on restoring proper movement patterns, strengthening weak muscles, and improving flexibility. One area where corrective exercises can be particularly beneficial is in addressing postural imbalances. For example, if you have a tendency to slouch, exercises that strengthen your upper back muscles and stretch your chest muscles can help to pull your shoulders back into alignment. Similarly, if you experience knee pain, exercises that strengthen your hip and core muscles can help to improve stability and reduce stress on your knee joint. By identifying your specific areas of weakness and incorporating targeted exercises into your routine, you can create a more balanced and resilient body. Consistency is key when it comes to corrective exercises. Section 6. The power of prevention. Safeguarding your joints for the long haul. Preventing joint pain is far more effective and less daunting than trying to cure it once it sets in. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your daily habits and movement patterns that can have a significant impact on your long-term joint health. One of the most important preventative measures is maintaining a healthy weight. Every extra pound you carry puts additional stress on your joints, particularly your knees, hips, and back. Losing even a small amount of weight can significantly reduce joint pain and improve your overall mobility. Another crucial aspect of prevention is incorporating regular movement into your daily routine. Sitting for extended periods can wreak havoc on your joints, so make it a point to get up and move around every 30 minutes. Take walking breaks, stretch regularly, and consider incorporating a standing desk into your workspace. Section 7. Fueling your joints. Nutrition for optimal joint health. The food we consume plays a vital role in joint health, either contributing to inflammation and pain or providing the building blocks for strong and resilient joints. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can help to reduce pain and stiffness, while certain nutrients are essential for maintaining cartilage health and supporting joint function. One of the most important dietary changes you can make is to reduce your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These foods contribute to inflammation throughout the body, including in your joints. Instead, focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties and have been shown to reduce joint pain and stiffness. Other foods rich in anti-inflammatory compounds include berries, leafy green vegetables, turmeric, and ginger. Adequate protein intake is also crucial for maintaining joint health. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to ignore our body's subtle signals, pushing through discomfort and pain in an attempt to power through our day. However, ignoring these signals can have detrimental consequences, often leading to more severe injuries and chronic pain. Learning to listen to your body and recognize the early warning signs of joint pain is crucial for preventing further damage and promoting healing. Pay attention to any pain, stiffness, or discomfort you experience, no matter how minor it may seem. Sharp shooting pain during or immediately after exercise is a red flag that you need to stop and reassess. Continuing to push through this type of pain can exacerbate an injury. If you experience persistent joint pain, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause and receive appropriate treatment. Embarking on a journey towards pain-free living requires a personalized approach that addresses your unique needs and challenges. While this guide provides a comprehensive overview of joint health and injury prevention, it's essential to tailor these principles to your individual circumstances. Start by assessing your current movement patterns, identifying any imbalances or weaknesses that may be contributing to your joint pain. Consider consulting with a qualified fitness professional who can conduct a thorough assessment and create a personalized exercise program tailored to your needs. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate joint-friendly exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week, gradually increasing the intensity and duration as you progress. Pay attention to your body's signals and don't hesitate to modify or rest when needed. You don't have to wait for debilitating pain to take action. Your journey toward lasting joint health and pain-free movement can begin today. It starts with a commitment to understanding your body, making conscious choices that support your joints, and embracing movement as medicine. Remember, small changes can have a significant impact. Incorporate more movement into your daily routine, prioritize proper form during exercise, and nourish your body with joint-supporting nutrients. Over time, these small steps will add up, leading to profound improvements in your joint health and overall well-being. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and remember that consistency is key. Movement is more than just exercise. It's a celebration of what your body can do. It's a way to connect with your physical self, challenge your limits, and experience the joy of moving freely and without pain. By adopting the principles outlined in this guide, You're not just addressing joint pain, you're investing in a future where movement remains a source of joy and vitality. You're reclaiming your birthright to move freely, explore your full potential, and live life to the fullest. Trust your body, embrace the power of movement, and embark